In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to configure the 404 page for BuddyBoss Theme 2.0. The 404 page is this default template that appears when you go to a URL in your web browser, and that particular page is not found on your site. To test this out on your own website, you can just type in some long, scrambled text in the URL to make sure that you're trying to view a page that does not yet exist. And if you do that, you should get to the page not found, also known as a 404 error. So now let's go ahead and jump into the WordPress admin so we can configure the options for the 404 page template. So here we are in the WordPress admin at BuddyBoss Theme Options 404 page. And these first two options are for the page title and the page description. If I were to edit these, it would change the text for this title and description here. And then we also have this option here to display a featured image. With BuddyBoss 2.0, we've added this brand new default 404 image. This image has been designed to look really great with the new Theme 2.0 styling. This new image is also automatically tinted using the primary color from the color settings. You can see that I have my primary color set to orange. And so on my site, the image is tinted with that orange color, matching other orange elements across the site. We can also use this older 1.0 image here. This will switch the default image to the same one that was originally included in the 1.0 version of BuddyBoss Theme. So let's save that and check it out. And you can see we're back to the 1.0 theme image. And then we can also use a custom image. From here we could upload any image we want, or you can set it to none, meaning no image will display on the 404 page at all. I'll set it back to 2.0, and I'll click Save Changes. And we can see we're back to the 2.0 image. And then we have this new option for toggling the page button on or off, referring to this button here. We'll leave it on, and then we can enter the button text and give the button a link. You can see that for my site, I've used Return Home as the button text and set the link to take the user back to my site's homepage. If someone is seeing this 404 page, it means they're lost on your site, so it can be really helpful to give them a button directing them to go somewhere else. Like, for example, to your homepage. And that's how you customize the 404 page.